Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are enjoying the classes. Okay, I think you understood that whatever we discussed in the previous session. Okay, let us move to the page number in your textbook 140. Page number 140. Here we have practice time maths these. Already I told you 100 paisa. 100 paisa is equal to how many it is? 1 rupee. It is 1 rupee. Clear? So based on that, we are going to discuss. We are going to match rupee and paisa. Okay? Now see this here. They given one example. Rupee 1 by 2 is nothing but 50 paise. 50 paise is nothing but rupee 0.50. Clear? So 1 by 2 is nothing but 50 paise. And 50 paise can be written as in terms of rupee 0.50. The same way, second one, see rupee 1 by 10. Rupee 1 by 10. Rupee 1 by 10 is nothing but which one? Now see this here, rupee 1 by 10 is equal to 10 paise. Because 10 paise, 1 by 10 is nothing but 10 paise. Clear? So this is 10 paise is nothing but 1 by 10 rupee. So 10 paise is nothing but what? 0.10. See this here 0.10. Now I am going to match this. Clear? Now second one coming to the rupee 5 by 100. Rupee 5 by 100 is nothing but how much it is? 5 paise. 5 paise. Okay. Now this is you should match like this. Clear? Now 5 paise is nothing but how much rupee? Rupee 0.05 rupee. Clear my dears? You please listen carefully. Rupee 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is nothing but see 1 rupee we can divide into 4 equal parts. That is 25 paise, 25 paise, 25 paise, 25 paise. 25 paise into 4 equal to 1 rupee. That is 3 by 4 is 3 parts. Out of 4 we are going to take that. So this is nothing but 75 paise. Okay, 75 paise is nothing but how much? 0.075 rupee. Okay. This is I am going to join like this. Clear? So 75 paise is nothing but 0.75 rupee. What is the leftover part here? 99 by 100. 99 by 100 is nothing but 99 paise. Okay? 99 paise. Now 99 paise is nothing but how many rupee? Rupees 0.99 rupee. The last one is rupee 1 by 4 is nothing but 25 paise. Okay, so this is a 25 paise. 25 paise is nothing but 1 by 4 rupee. In terms of decimal, what is the leftover part here? 0.25 rupee. Clear? Rupee 0.25. Clear? This is to match. You please do along with me in your textbook with pencil. After my class, the same thing you need to copy in your classwork. Okay, I hope you understood that how to practice or match these. How to, this is they given rupee in terms of fractions. They convert into paise. Again they convert into rupees in terms of decimals. Clear? This is fractions. This is paise. This is rupees again in terms of decimals. Clear my dears? This is for your better understanding how to convert paise to rupee and other rupees to paisa. Clear? Now next let us move to the colorful design. Okay, all of you open page number 140. This is your colorful design. This we are going to discuss now. Okay, now I am going to draw on the board. You please look at your textbook. Right, children, listen here. In the page number 140, you have colorful design. In colorful design, they given one square paper. Okay, in this, they divide into 10 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 paper strips. Means, in a paper, in total one paper, they divide into 10 equal parts. Okay, each and every part is nothing but one strip. Again, after that, they fill with color blue, yellow, green, here up to here. See, this part is black. From here to here it is black, above is white. Now from here to here red, above is white. The total is green, red, white, green and yellow. Okay, based on this color, they are asking some questions. Total how many parts are there? Can anyone? Yes, totally there are 10 parts are there. Okay, see this here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parts, 10 equal parts are there. Now in that first one, what part of this sheet is colored blue? Only they are asking blue color. How much part is colored with blue color? Now see this here, how many parts are there totally? There are total 10 parts are there, total 10 parts. In that blue, blue is how many parts? See this here blue color, here it is blue, means one. Again there is no blue color here, there is no blue color. So only one part out of 10, one part is colored with blue color. So blue is nothing but 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Here the first line they given what part of this sheet is colored blue, question mark. So in the blank please write down 1 by 10. So now again they are asking second question, what part of the sheet is green? Now see this, count the green, how many are there green? Here is 1, 2, 3 are there. Okay, total parts is 10 parts. Now next one is what? Green. Green, how many parts are there totally? 3 parts are there. So how to write here? 3 by 10. Green is how many parts here? 3 by 10. So now they are asking one more, which color covers 0.2 of the sheet? Now see this here, to write 1 by 10, how to write 1 by 10 in terms of decimal? This is nothing but 0.1. Okay, 3 by 10 can be as 0.3. 0.3. Now, because 1/10 part, this is 1/10 part, 3/10 part. 3/10 part is nothing but 0.3. Now, next they are asking the question, which color covers 0.2 of the sheet? 0.2 is nothing but what? 0.2 is nothing but what? I'm going to write here. So 0.2 is equal to 2 by 10. 2 by 10 is nothing but which color is cover as 2 parts. See this here yellow, one here yellow, one here and one more here. So yellow color is covers 0.2 of the sheet, that is 2 by 10 part. What is the answer here? Yellow. What is the answer? Yellow is 0.2 part will cover on the page. Oh, the blue strip is 0.1 of the sheet they given here. Now see this here. After this, I hope you understood that blue is 1 by 10, that is nothing but 0.1. Green is 3 by 10, that is 0.3, and yellow, that is 0.2 is nothing but yellow color is covered 0.2 part. Okay. Now the same this box they are going to again they are drawing 10 parts in horizontally sleeping lines. They are drawing 10 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here here 10 parts. Okay, like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. 1, so here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so like that they are drawing that. They divide this into again how many parts? Totally these 10 parts again they are writing 10 more lines to divide into 100 parts. How many parts? Each and every line divided into 100 parts. See this here. One more line, one more box is there. This is the down one. You please observe the down one. Okay. Now see this here. Now look at the second sheet. Each strip is divided into 10 equal boxes. Each strip divided into 10 equal parts here. 10 First of all, the total paper divided into 10 equal parts. Again, each strip, each part they divided into again 10 equal parts. So, first of all, first is 10, then again each part is 10, 10. Totally how many parts are there here? 100 parts are there. In the second one, total how many parts are there? Total is 100 parts. Okay. Now, see this here. So, you went to 10 equal boxes. How many boxes are there in all? How many boxes are there? 100 boxes. Write down here instead of parts. Write down boxes. 100 boxes. Okay. So, they divided into totally 100 boxes. Now, each box is 1 by 100 part. Yes, because each part I am taking only one part. One is nothing but 1 by 100 parts. Okay. Now, children, so each and every is 1 by 100 part. That is 1 by 100 part. Each box is equal to how many parts here they given? 1 by 100 part of the sheet. How many blue boxes are there? How many blue boxes are there here? See this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 blue boxes are there. So blue boxes is equal to 10 by total how many are there? 100. Okay, 10 by 100 can be written as 1 by 10. That is equal to 0.1 only. Same thing. Now, is blue equal to 10 by 100? Yes. Yes. We saw that blue is also equal to 1 by 10 of the sheet. We wrote it as 0.1 of the sheet. So therefore, can we say that? What we can say that? 10 by 100 is equal to 1 by 10, which is equal to 0.1. 0.1. Now, can we write 10 pies as 0.1 of a rupee? Yes, because 100 pies is equal to 1 rupee. Therefore, 10 pies is equal to 10 by 100. That is nothing but 0.1 rupee. Yes, we can write it as. Now, how many boxes are red? How many boxes are red here? See red here. Red you have to observe in the book. Red is how many are there? First total one strip is there. That is 10 boxes are there. Again here one more 5 are there. That means here 5 are there and here 10 are there. Okay, total how many are there? 15 are there. So red boxes is equal to you please write down red box equal to total how many are there? 15 by 100, which is equal to 0.15. 0.15. Okay. Now, so 15 by, please fill in the blank 15 by 100. Can we also write it as 0.15 of the sheet? Now, remember we wrote 99 pies is nothing but 0.99 rupee. Don't get confused. 0.10 is the same as 0.1. Remember. Okay, this 50 is 50 pies is nothing but rupee 0.50 and also rupee 0.5. Okay, now both are same thing. That is 0.10 is equal to 0.1 only. Both are same. Okay, don't be confused. Now 3 by 100 of the sheet is black. Now see this here black. Where is the black here? Black here and as well as this is the only one. Okay, 1, 2, 3 are there. Only see this here. Observe in the in your textbook. There are 1, 2, 3 are there. So that is now 3 by 100 of the sheet is black. Okay. Now can we say that? How can you write 3 by 100? Black is equal to 3 by 100. This can be written as 0.03. 0.03 sheet is black. Now, how many white boxes are there in the sheet? How many white boxes are there? Just count it here. Totally one line is there. This one line is there, that is 10. And here in the block, along with the block, there are 7 white boxes are there. Okay, 10 plus 7 is 17. And as well as red, along with red, there are 5 are there. So 10 plus 7 plus 5. Totally now white boxes. Okay, now I am going to write here white boxes are there. How many white boxes? Okay, white boxes totally how many are there? 10 plus 7 plus 5, that is 22 boxes are there. 22 by 100. This can be written as 0.22. 0.22 sheet. Okay, they are asking that only. What part of this second sheet is white? Second sheet white. The part is nothing but 22 by 100, not 100 by 100. Second sheet only, right? That is 22 by 100. 22 by 100. Now, there are two boxes are there. Make your own design. Your own design. So, they are asking in this, see this here. Make a nice design by coloring 0.45 part of this square rectangle. Out of this total paper, 0.45 percentage part means 45 boxes you need to fill with red color. You should make a design that you need to complete in your textbook only. Okay, and the second one also, use 4 colors. Each color should cover 0.05 of this square. Each color means 5 by 100 part. Okay, 5 boxes you can use different 4 colors. Means by using 4 colors, you should color with 5 boxes for each one color, and you should make a colorful design. Okay, you please complete those two in your textbook and please take the pics and please forward to my number. Okay, let us discuss sports day. What is a sports day? Did you find out? Did you play any games on our sports day? Yes, we are going to conduct different types of games for our sports day. That what are the sports we are going to conduct, that we are going to discuss in your textbook. Okay, you please note down all this in your textbook. After that, after my class, you please complete this in your classwork. Okay. Now, children, look at the board everyone. Sports day. On sports day, they conducted some long jump competition between the girls. Okay, here the first 5 girls are there. Those are first 5 they jumped. See, Tina jumped 3.50 meters. Okay, Veena 4.05 meters. Rehana 4.50 meters. Anu 3.05 meters. And as well as Amina 3.35 meters. Now observe this 5. Now who is the first one here? Who will get the first prize? Tina, Meena, Rehana, Anu, Amina. Yes, Rehana. Rehana, see 4.50 meters. She jumped 4.50 meters. Okay, she will get the first one. Who is the next one? Automatically 4.05. That is Meena. Now third prize. Who is the third person? Either 3.50 or 3.05 or 3.35. To compare these three, just remove this decimal and see this 350, 305, 335. Out of these three values, which is the bigger value? 350. That is 3.50. So Tina will get third prize. Now see, look at the book, everyone. The school at Mallapuram has its sports day. The first 5 children in the long jump are, these are the 5 children. The first 5 children are long jump. Now Tina jumped 3.50 meters, which is, see this here, this 3.50 meters I am going to write 3 meters 50 centimeters. Clear? How to write 3 meters 50 centimeters. But how far did Anu jump? Anu, where is Anu? Anu is here. So now, to convert Anu in terms of meters and centimeters. Now see this here, 3 meters, 0.5 centimeters, only 5 centimeters. Okay, right. So 3.05 is nothing but 3 meters, 0.5 centimeters. So write only 5 centimeters. You can understand easy. Okay, now 5 centimeters. You please fill that, fill in the blanks. Who is the winner in the long jump? Now can you tell me who is the winner here? Winner is Rehana. Okay, who is the winner here? Rehana is the winner. Okay, I am going to write here. Winner is Rehana. Okay, Rehana is the winner because she jumped 4.50 meters. Here on the page. Now write the names of the first, second and third winners on the on this stand. There is a stand is there. See, in any games they conducted, they stand like this. First of all, first person, then right side is third, and the left side is second person. Okay. Now here, who is the first person? Rehana is the first person. Okay. And who is the second one here? Second person is Meena. She get second prize, and third prize is Tina. Third is Tina. You please write down these three names in this box. Now, do you remember that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. That you have to remember. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. This is your conversion. Now, so 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Now, 1 by 100 meters is equal to 1 centimeter, or you can write it in order. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meters. Please write down this in your notebook. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meters. This can be written in decimal 0.01 meters. Even you can write 1 centimeter equal to, that is 0.01 meter. Okay, 1 by 100 can be written as 0.01 meters. So now here, write in meters also. The next one is 3 meters 45 centimeters. How to write 3 meters 45 centimeters? See, 3 meters 45 centimeters can be written as 3 point, they are asking in terms of meters only, 3.45 meters. This is the way to write. Only if you keep the point after 3. Okay, just keep the decimal point after 3, it will become 3.45 meters. Next, 99 centimeters. 99 centimeters equal to 0.99 meters. 0.99 meters. Because 99 centimeters is nothing but 99 by 100 meters. Because see this here, 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meters. Then 99 centimeters equal to 99 by 100 meters is nothing but 0.99 meters. Now 1 meter and 5 centimeter. 1 meter and 5 centimeter. This can be as 1.05. Please just see this here. This is very important. 1 meter 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter is nothing but by adding this 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 100 plus 5 is equal to 105 centimeter. 105 added is nothing but 1.05 meters. Clear? You please complete this in your classwork. Okay? Did you understand that here? See this once again we are going to discuss. Here Rehana jumped 4.50 meters. She is the winner of the sports day. She is the first prize, and the next prize is Meena, only 4.05 meters only. Okay? Now Tina is 3.50 meters. So Rehana is the first prize, Meena is second prize, Tina is third prize. How to write? Now see this here. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. Then 1 by 100 meters equal to 1 centimeter. Write in order. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meters. And it can be written in terms of decimal. 1 centimeter equal to 0.01 meters. Okay? Now see this here. They given in terms of meters and centimeters. Please convert into meters only. That is the process to convert into meters. It means you have to divide with 100 only. Okay? I hope you understood that. Otherwise, you have to. Shall I explain this by 100? I think it's not able because here only I give. Here only I told you 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meters. Okay? You just keep the point wherever it is required. Clear, my dears? Okay? No. Otherwise, I'll explain that detailed. No. Now see this here. I think you will have some doubt how to convert this one. See this here. 3 meters 45 centimeters. I told you 1 meter equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Then 3 meters equal to how many? 300 centimeters. Again here they given 45 centimeters. You please write down 45 centimeters, which is equal to 45 centimeters. Okay. So by adding these two, by adding only those two, you will get how much here? So here I am going to write 3 meters 45 centimeters, which is equal to 345 centimeters. Clear? So now, how to convert this 345 centimeters into meters? Okay? Now, already I told you. Now, right here. See this here. 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. Clear? Then 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meters. Right, my dear sir? Now, 345 centimeters. See this here. 345 centimeters equal to 345 by 100 meters, which implies that is 3 meters 45 centimeters is equal to, that is 345 centimeters, which is equal to, that is 345 centimeters is equal to 345 centimeters equal to 345 by 100 meters, that is 3.45 meters. Clear everyone? I hope you understood that. Next, same thing, 99 centimeters. See, already 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meters. Now, 99 centimeters equal to 99 by 100 meters, which is equal to 0.99 meters. Clear, my dears? Right? Now, even though here 1 meter 5 centimeters, that 1 meter 5 centimeter can be written as 105 centimeters, because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. 100 plus 5 equal to 105 centimeters. Now 105 centimeters is equal to 105 divided by 100 meters, which is equal to 1.05 meters. This is the process to convert meters, centimeters into meters only. Clear? I hope you understood that today's class. Complete this total into classwork and in textbook also. Okay? Right, children, you please note down this homework, today's homework. Convert into meters. See here, I gave some questions which are you should convert into only meters. First question is 5 meters 25 centimeters. This is in terms of meters only. 15 meter 45 centimeters in terms of meters. 6 meter and 8 centimeter in terms of meters only. 10 meters and 11 centimeter in terms of meters only. Again, the last one is 12 meters, 35 centimeters in terms of meters. How I explained in the previous, okay, how to convert 3 meters into 45 centimeters in terms of meters. Like that only you have to complete this. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.